Master the magic of conversion, fractions, decimals, and percentages. Hello everyone, and welcome to today's lesson. I'm really excited to bring you this episode because we're going to dive into a fascinating area of the English numerical system. Today, we're going to explore the conversion process between fractions, decimals, and percentages. These are all different ways of representing the same information, but each form has its unique uses. By the end of this video, you'll be a wizard in switching between these forms, and the world of numbers will be your playground. The first step in our journey is understanding how to convert fractions into decimals. It's quite simple. All you need to do is divide the numerator, the number on top, by the denominator, the number on the bottom. For example, 1/4 becomes 0.25, 1/2 becomes 0.5, and 3/4 becomes 0.75. Practice with a few more examples until you're comfortable with this process. Now that we know how to get a decimal from a fraction, let's learn how to transform that decimal into a percentage. This is a straightforward process. You simply multiply the decimal by 100 and add the percentage symbol, %. For instance, the decimal 0.25 becomes 25% when you multiply it by 100, 0.5 becomes 50%, and so on. Try converting several decimals into percentages to get the hang of it. We've learned how to convert fractions into decimals and decimals into percentages. But what if we want to go the other way around, from percentages back to fractions? Well, it's just as simple. To convert a percentage to a fraction, divide the percentage by 100 and reduce the fraction if possible. For example, 50% becomes 50/100ths, which simplifies to 1/2. It's your turn to practice now. Now that we're comfortable converting between fractions, decimals, and percentages, it's time to compare and order these numbers. For instance, it might be helpful to convert everything to decimals when comparing, as decimals are easy to compare. Remember, the higher the decimal, the higher the fraction or percentage. So, 0.25, or 25%, or 1/4, is less than 0.5, or 50%, or 1/2. Spend some time comparing different fractions, decimals, and percentages to get a good feel for it. That's it for today's lesson, folks. You've learned how to convert between fractions, decimals, and percentages, and also how to compare and order them. I hope you found this video helpful. Keep practicing these conversions until they become second nature. Remember, it's not about memorizing every conversion, but understanding the process so you can handle any number that comes your way. See you in our next lesson. Keep exploring, keep learning,